Did any of the babies wake up during the night?
Well,
did for a second.
yeah, she woke up, but she didn't have to get like put in her swing or anything.
I should stay in her bed all night.
Take the camera.
All your stuff. Too cool.
She didn't see it, buddy. What's on your neck? And your why is your jacket inside out? What is that weird smell?
That's hers.
What is that weird smell?
Oh. I gotta move on.
You don't like it? Oh, look. What are you doing, Mason? Are you posing for the camera?
I don't think anybody took it. Well, that was a shady crew. Get you a Yolog?
Hey Jackson, turn around. Let me get a picture of you with all your toys.
Well, that's what Jessica was supposed to do, but she's still holding the camera.
I did get it.
Are you getting my roll?